Hey, what's up? Wait. Hey, what's up, guys? Today I will show you Canva custom size. Okay, this is my Canva account. So you Canva account. So this is click here and search Canva. CANVA Canva.com and enter press here. Okay, this is a Canva account and Canva web. So this is custom size, and today I will show you custom size used with Canva. So I'm design with YouTube thumbnail. So search here YOU YouTube YouTube channel, YouTube art size. Okay, YouTube art size and search here. Okay, this is YouTube channel art size. So I'm copy this size and at a pixel x by at a pixel. So custom size, click here and y, paste this size and height this size. Okay, I'm copy here and paste height. So okay, this is pixel. See this px. Okay, this px and see suggested YouTube channel art. So I'm don't click here no problem. So I'm create new design. Okay, wait. Okay, that is nice. Nice. Okay, see this. This is custom size and design here. So I'm designing YouTube channel art. So click here and text friend. Okay, done. Okay, so this is custom size and you suggested video, not in YouTube channel art. So you click here YouTube channel art. So see this Canva you suggested. This is YouTube channel art to and you just create new design. So not suggested your YouTube channel art and click here. So suggest your YouTube channel art. See this nice design. So you click here, just create a design and search YouTube channel art. YouTube channel art. Then see this, click here this size and click. That is simple. So guys, today this video ended.